So it's morning, and this heater channel's driving me crazy, man. I'm watching these videos, and they say step by step how to do it. This is how you take it out. You just drill out the spot welds. There's some factory welds you got to cut through, blah 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 blah, and then it comes out. I don't think so. This thing is so patched up. It's like it was rotted out, and then somebody decided, okay, well, we got to get this thing certified, so let's just cover over all this shit with more shit. So it's a mishmash of like baking sheets and pop riveted onto the inside of the wheel well, the whole crap load of fiberglass that's put on top of that. Sorry, there's some bugs out here. Anyway, so I can't get at all the welds. I can't drill things out and have it come loose. I'm just like working at it bit by bit. I just want to get the thing out, just get it out of there. Now all the bolts that are holding the thing onto the floor pan they'll turn, but they just spin. So they're all fused together. So now I gotta cut those out without damaging the floor pan. I'm very close. I got the, I'll show you a little bit what I'm doing. That's what I'll do.